5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go right 4 long. Quick left 4, tightens 3, kick 100. Crest, quick right 4 minus, and left 3. And right 5 over crest, 80. Then left 6 over crest, 30. Left 4, big crest, quick right 4. Switch, left 5 minus off. Quick right 5. And right 4 off. 50. Left 3 tightens.
Woo! Tighten. 4.
Left 3 tightens. 100 over brows to a right 4. And short right 4 over crest. 30. To another short right 4. 50 over crest. Then another short right 4. Quick left 4 long. Opens tightens 3. Then it opens 6 long, and care. Right 5 over 30, tightens 3 off, and left 4 tightens 3 minus after the crest, and it drops. And right 4 very long. Quick left 5 minus, 100 line.
Repeat.
Left 5 minus, 100 line. Short left 3 rough. 50. Left 4. 100. Right 4 plus off. 100. Keep left over crest and left 5 over 50. Tightens 4. And right 4. And crest, quick left 6 minus, and turn right 2 wide. This is going to be left 6 minus and turn right 2 wide. 80 line. Then right 5 long, and left 4. Quick right 3, and left 4.
A little late.
Left 4, quick right 4 minus off, drops, and short left 3. 50, care long crest, quick left 3 minus, quick short right 3, left 3, here, quick short right 3, 100 line. Short right 4, quick left 4 over 30, tightens 3. Quick right 5, and unseen turn right 1. Quick right 3, and left 3 bumpy. 100, left 2 don't. Quick right 4 over crest, and right 3 minus long, and it tightens. Up here is right 3 minus long, and it tightens. 50, brow, quick left 2. So there will be quick left 2, quick right 5 minus, quick short left 4. 50, right 4, quick left 4, quick right 3, quick left 4 plus long, 50, left 4, up there's left 4, quick right 3 off, it tightens, 50, to a short left 5 minus, stay mid, right 2 minus. Quick left 4.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Quick left 4
Left.
and left 3. Opens 4.
It just flipped.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
And then it tightens 2 at the top, and then a quick right 4 dip. And left 3. $50. Left 4 long. Quick right 4 off over 30. Tightens 3 minus. This is going to tighten 3 minus. Switch left 3 long. Tightens and drops.
Ooh, tightens 2.
Okay. This is going to tighten and drop in a short right 4 minus. 50. Then right 4 half long. 30. Left 3 tightens 2. Left 3 tightens 2. And short left 2. Quick right 3 minus long. 50. Set up right 3 off. 50. Short left 3 don't. 50. Care big crest. Quick left 3. Quick right 3.
Oh.
Quick left 4. Hold 80 line. To a left 5. Quick right 4 minus. 80. Up here's right 4 minus. 80. Left 5 minus. And care. Right 4 tightens 3 and it drops. 30. Left 4 tightens 3 minus. Quick right 3. And right 4. Quick left 3. And left 2 plus. 30. Left 4. And caution right 2 over crest. Long off. Don't. And left 5. Tightens 4 plus long.
Right.
This is left 5. It tightens 4 long. 80 line. To a right 5 minus. And 50. Keep right over crest 80. To a setup crest. Quick 4 left. Left 4, sorry. And right 3. 50.
What else?
Crest, quick left 4, tightens 3. Tightens 3. Then 50 over crest, right 3. 50. Left 4, tightens. Stay mid, right 4, tightens 3. Long, quick, left 5 minus long. Whoa.
We got it.
Yep, good job. Left
Mark
5
it.
minus, long, quick.
Mark it.
Yep. Right 5 minus, quick, left 4, very long. Switch right 4.
Get slippy through here, okay?
That's
Got it.
50. Crest, quick left 3, quick right 3. Shut it down. Good job.
Woo.
Nice save.
Yeah. I was like, fuck, no one on the side. I don't want to roll. Woo. Okay,
Okay.
damn, it's fucked up.
Yep, it's fucked up.
You're getting a little tongue twisted in there.
I don't think so. I didn't feel like it.
It felt like the notes were coming, like, it didn't feel fluid.
There's a lot of bouncing going along.
Yeah. So you couldn't see?
No, it's like, it shakes you, so it's like talking, it bumps my voice.
I got
It bumps my voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what?
Yeah, that's what it does.
Holy shit. Yeah. This